Here's a quick how-to video. Fix your Hisense dehumidifier, model number DH-70KP1SDLE. The problem being that the empty bucket light stays on no matter what. The way to quickly troubleshoot it is take out the bucket and push this switch in, right? Safety switch. You should be able to push that in, and then the unit will turn on. And if that happens, then you know that the problem is not electronic, it's mechanical. But as you can see, even though the bucket's empty, when I put the bucket in, the empty bucket light stays on. So what I did is I took off the back of the unit and realized that this little clip was broken. And the reason it broke is because of bad design. Pulling the bucket in and out over time, this thing will snap. So here's that same sensory switch on the inside. If I put some pressure on it, the unit turns on, right? It works properly. So all I did is I took some foam, or in this case, it's some duct tape. Inside the duct tape, I wrapped it in plastic so it doesn't have any adhesive, but pretty much anything you can use to wedge in here. Do a little. Anything you can use to wedge in there will cause the unit to work properly. As you can see, the empty bucket light is off now. So that's a quick fix. There are a number of screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 screws that you need to remove. All of the screws on the back you have to remove, and then they hid 2 of them down behind the wheels here, 1 on each side. You take out those screws, the back comes off, and that'll give you access to this switch. So again, put a little something in there to add some pressure, and it's not going anywhere because this is copper, solid copper, but something that won't slide around as you're moving the unit around, and that should fix it.